Intimacy is kind of designed to explore the traditional intimacy that we might think of when we first think of the word, so with love and relationships, but it's also exploring different things with technology and how it's trying to replicate intimacy that we have. We have a really interesting VR piece where it is 2 VR headsets that are set up, but with cameras on each of the VR headsets. So the camera feeds back to the loop of the other VR headset, so pretty much you see what the other person is seeing, so that actually leads to some pretty interesting conversations. It's literally stepping into someone else's shoes. There's also a board downstairs called Misconnections, where people can post up personal ads, so they can maybe, if they've seen someone every day on their commute to like work or whatever, they can put up a little kind of just a message on the board saying, I've seen you every day, like blonde hair and blue eyes or whatever, and maybe they might see it and they might have go for a pint, or it can be not romantic at all, they might just want to see a movie. So we're just hoping to kind of create intimate moments with people, which seems to be maybe lacking in society now.
So my piece is about finding new ways of representing love beyond normative symbols such as the heart shape, for example. To do so, I basically do motion capture of the tip of the tongue of lovers while they kiss to actually reveal the choreography that happens during caresses. I aimed at finding more personal ways of representing love to actually go beyond this sort of projection that we have on usual symbols, but also to help people to express their love better and celebrate the ways they express it intuitively in everyday gestures.
This is the Z Relationship Monetary Fund Exchange Counter. Basically, in 2007, I made a monetary system out of human relationships. The currency itself is made up of 6 different bills. There's a love zollar, a hate zollar, an erotic zollar, a friend zollar, a superficial zollar, and a fellowship zollar, and they're issued through what's called a Z-bond. And the Z-bond is based on the owner's, or the quality of the owner's human relationships, and then of course the dollars that are made to exchange kind of question the idea of 1 being less than 10, and it really takes the idea of value and puts it onto the human relationship itself. So if 2 people are going to exchange it, they have to decide what the value of that relationship is to them.